Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're taking a look at the Quadratec 8-inch factory replacement subwoofer available for the 2007 to 2014 Jeep Wrangler and Wrangler Unlimited. Now, this subwoofer has been designed to work with the factory enclosure found in the rear of the 07 to 14 Wranglers. So if you do not have that factory enclosure, this is not an add-on subwoofer for your audio system. This has simply been designed to be a replacement for a worn out or damaged factory subwoofer. We can start by taking a look at the factory subwoofer that we pulled out and we have on the table here. Now, this speaker has some very unique specifications to it, and frankly speaking, well, there's not an option available in the aftermarket to replace this subwoofer. So we went ahead and created one. Now, as you can see, there's a few differences between the two. They look slightly different here, but we're gonna go over all the features of the new replacement subwoofer. But let's start by taking a look at some of the specifications that go into the original factory speaker. Now, this speaker featured a unique mounting pattern, also features a very shallow mounting depth, and it is a dual voice coil sub, so it has two electrical connectors on the back here, and that's what really makes it a unique speaker that just doesn't have much application in the aftermarket, so no companies have went ahead and produced one as of yet. Now, if we take a look at our replacement subwoofer, you can see here that we've designed it with the same shallow mounting depth. We've got the same mounting pattern on here, so there's no modifications to that enclosure required to get this bolted into your Jeep. And it is a dual voice coil sub, so we've got two factory style electrical connectors on the back here that makes installation really easy. And we've also made some improvements over the original design. Now, the original speaker did feature this foam surround. As you can see, a lot of times this is a point of failure on these speakers. If they get wet, they dry, they can dry rot, they can crack, and that can cause the speaker to fail. Well, we went ahead and designed our speaker with a rubber surround. It's gonna give you a lot more durability. It's gonna stand up to some weather elements, especially being in a Wrangler, you're not necessarily closed off from those elements. You can also see here the original speaker featured an uncoated paper cone, another point of failure. Well, we went ahead and poly-coated our paper cone. Again, that's gonna stand up to the elements, give you a lot longer lifespan out of this replacement speaker. Now, I mentioned it had a unique bolt pattern here to get it mounted up. We did replicate that in our speaker, which means the installation is really easy. In fact, all you need is a T20 Torx driver to get this installed. We're gonna go ahead and get started by removing the 6 Torx fasteners found around the exterior of the grill on the sub enclosure. Once we have those removed out of the way, we can pull that grill out, followed by the subwoofer. Now, if you tilt the subwoofer over, you'll find 2 electrical connectors. Disconnect the first one, simply flip over the speaker and disconnect the second. And that's all it takes to remove the factory sub. Of course, this is a great time to go ahead and clean that enclosure up while you have the speaker out of the way. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our replacement subwoofer, and to install it, we're simply gonna plug one of the electrical connectors into the factory style connector, rotate the speaker over, plug the second connector in. Now, it doesn't matter which connector you plug into either side of the speaker, either one is fine. Then you're gonna wanna go ahead and line up this notch in the bottom of the speaker surround. At the bottom of the enclosure, that notch will align with a tab on the speaker grill. You can go ahead and put the grill back in place over the speaker and then reinstall those 6 T20 Torx fasteners. And that's all it takes to install your Quadratec 8-inch factory replacement subwoofer in your 07 to 14 Jeep Wrangler JK. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a replacement sub for your Wrangler, you can click on that info button, head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the subwoofer, you can leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And hey, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews and how-to videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.